Tutorial series we will learn le verb être, that means the verb être. In the end we will practice the verb with some examples, so make sure you watch it till the end. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Learn with I. Bonjour et bienvenue à Learn with I. In this video we will learn le verb être, that means the verb être. But before starting with this, if you want to learn French on daily basis, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Starting with the verb être, we will be using les pronoms sujets in this video. If you did not watch that video, I'll give the link in the description below. Make sure you watch it. So let's start. Whenever we conjugate a verb, we divide them into the two categories, which is singulier and pluriel. Singulier, that means singular, and plurial, that means plural. In singular category, the conjugation with subjects, that I, you, he and she will come, and in plural category you, we and they category will come. So let's start with the conjugation. So we'll start with the singular category. In singular category, first one is je suis. Suis is the conjugation of verb être. Je is pronoun, as you know. Je suis meaning is I am. In this, am is the verb, and in place of the am we will be using conjugation of être, that means suis. Je suis, that means I am. Now the second one is tu es, that means you are. Here a is the conjugation of être. Here come is il est and elle est. Both are used to denote a third person. That means they use in third person singular. Il est, that means he is, and elle est, that means she is. Now let's start with the plural forms. Nous sommes, that means we are. Vous êtes. As I told you earlier, vous is used for formal conversation, but you can also use it as collective people, like you are. You can be so many people. You can also use it in the form of plural form to denote so many people. So vous êtes. Now the third one came ils sont, elles sont. That means they are. Il is in the plural form and elle is in the plural form. So that means they are. So they are the plural form. So let's repeat it one more time. On va répéter encore une fois. So let's repeat. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Let's practice it with the help of an example. I am taking here only one example so that you can easily understand all the conjugations. So let's start with it. You can see the example on your screen. First example is je dash intelligent. That means I am intelligent. What do we use in place of am? That means suis. Je suis intelligent. Very good, guys. Now second example is nous dash intelligent. Nous, that means we are intelligent. What do we use with nous? Which is sommes. Nous sommes intelligents. Very good. Now third example is tu dash intelligent. That means you are intelligent. Tu es intelligent. That means you are intelligent. Okay. Now fourth example is vous dash intelligent. That means you are intelligent. Vous êtes gentil. That means you are kind. What do we use with vous? Vous êtes intelligent ou gentil or sympa. Okay. Now il dash intelligent. That means he is intelligent. Now last example is mais elle dash très intelligent. What do we mean by that? But she is very intelligent. He is intelligent, but she is very intelligent. So what do we use with elle? Elle est. Very good, guys. These examples are with subject pronouns, but if you want to say a person is very intelligent or whatever, you want to use a conjugation of être with the persons. For let's take an example of un dash intelligent. That means, what do we mean by that? An is intelligent and an is a third person. And as I told you, with third person we use il and l conjugation. That means an a intelligent. Very good. From now I wrap this video. Make sure you practice them, guys, and if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So stay tuned. Bye bye.